How to bring back deleted desktop icons in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to restore icons that have disappeared from your desktop. First, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. After that, hover over View. From there, make sure Show Desktop Icons is checked, since this is accidentally unchecked. At this point, if icons still don't appear, right-click on the desktop again and click on Refresh. In the next step, check if the missing icons return after refreshing. Following this, if specific system icons like this PC or recycle bin are missing, right-click on the desktop and click Personalize. Once done, click on Themes, then click on Desktop Icon Settings. From here, check the boxes next to any system icons you'd like visible, like this PC, recycle bin, or control panel. At this stage, click Apply, then OK to bring them back. Keep in mind, if a specific app icon was deleted rather than just hidden, you'll need to manually create a shortcut for it instead, since this method only restores hidden or unchecked icons. Finally, restart your computer if any icons still don't appear after applying these changes. And that's it. If this guide helped you bring back deleted desktop icons in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.